Duku pins have become a huge trend in Ghana, especially in the realm of bead accessories. They add a stylish touch to traditional head wraps and also Duku, and because of this, it has been embraced as a fashion statement. Many people are customizing their Duku pins to match their outfits or personal preferences because they have become a staple in the local fashion scene. I'm happy to share with you today how to make your own Duku pins. The first material we will need is a lapel pin. Ideally, I am stressing, ideally, lapel pin must be used. But I didn't have a lapel pin, neither could I get one to buy here. I got these over 4 years ago for a different project. Alternatively, I got these needles. It measures 3.5 inches. And so if you wear earrings, you can use the bolt or the stopper that came with your earrings to secure it. Although I used a glue gun, I strongly will recommend UHU glue because it's more adhesive. I'll start by applying a small amount of the glue on the tip of the needle. I mean where the hole is. That's where we are starting from. So you apply the glue and immediately add on the beads. When you add the bead, you have to hold it to be steady before you let loose of it. If you use the UHU, you wouldn't have to stress yourself with what I am doing. So you arrange the beads in the order of your preference. You can get these beads in your local bead shop. So basically you apply the glue and add on the beads, but you don't have to fill the whole needle. You have to leave an allowance for pinning. The lapel pins I have are two different sizes, I mean inches. And so if you are going to buy one, you have to go for the longest, say 5 inches, 7 inches, so that you can add on so many beads to make it more colorful. The same applies to the needles. Get a longer needle so that you can do more with the beads. Although these pins have been traditionally associated with funeral attire in Ghana, their versatility can be expanded to gele, fascinators, and any other headgear, and it will transform them into a fashionable statement for weddings, parties, and even casual events. These are the designs I could create with the beads I had or I have. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you would also make. Share with me on the number on the screen. I am happy to announce to you that every week I would be dropping a new video. Until then, always remember to keep hope alive.